Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a free AI tool which will be very helpful for you to make your presentation. So especially when you are struggling to make a PPT, this AI powered tool will help you to make PowerPoint presentations in seconds. So let us go on to today's video and we'll give some input prompts and let us check it out how this AI tool will generate a perfect presentation for us. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop, and the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing using all the AI tools. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that AISlidestudio.com. So here you can see that create AI powered presentations in seconds. You can try it for free. There is no pricing option. That is very important. So just click on try it for free. So here you can enter the topic here. So and then you can use this option called create presentation. And then you can give an input prompt. For example, I am going to give an input like this. So impacts of renewable energy usage in power sector. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So you can give maximum up to 50 words. So after that, so it will take several seconds and it will generate content for you. So let us see here. You can see that select slide colors. So you can select the slide colors whatever you want. So I am going to select this purple. So line color, so I am going to select line color as yellow itself, and the text color, so this slide color and then line color and then text color. So you can give text color as white. So after that you can customize the font size also. So I am going to give Times New Roman. So here line will be Vernanda. Next paragraph font, so I am going to give again Times New Roman. So automatically you can see that the content has been revised here. So title, introduction to renewable energy in the power sector, reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, increase the energy dependence on nations, creation of new jobs and renewable energy sectors. So here you can see this is the word which is represented in white. So the next one is reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So for that the content will be generated. Next, enhance the energy security. So for that the content will be generated. Economic growth and job creation. So improved air and water quality, challenges in renewable energy integration, technological advancements on renewable energy. So all this in all the slides, so you can see that automatically a image will be generated. This is AI power image. So you can customize the image whatever you want. You can download this option using this download now. So here you can see that automatically it will be saved as a PPT text, that is PowerPoint file. So here you can see this is how your PPT is created in seconds. So this is the title we have asked for, introduction to renewable energy in power sector. So here you can see automatically all the content with perfect pictures is created. So yes, this will be a better option for you to automate your PPT presentation in seconds. So important thing is that so you can use this tool for free. That is very important. So let us give some other topic. So I am going to home again. So here given another topic, IoT based applications. So you again give create presentation. So it will formulate the slide. So it will take several seconds. So like that, as this tool is a free tool, so those who are in academic sites, so you can use this kind of tool, so thereby you can get a perfect content for your paper. So you can customize this whatever you want. So I am going to choose this one. So here you can see this is how the content will be. So whatever the font size you can change accordingly, it will also change. And then here instead of color you can customize the color. So here you can see IoT, and then smart homes, next wearable technology, industrial IoT, how industries employ IoT technology. So next one is smart agriculture, smart cities, and then healthcare applications, supply chain management, security challenges in IoT, and then you can see future of IoT. So and you can download. So this is how you can generate slides in seconds, and you can download perfect slides for whatever you want. So use this that is a tool to generate a better content, better PPT, or you can give input for your, that is research paper writing also. So automatically by analyzing the content, it will generate answer for you. So make use of this option and make your PPT presentation very easily using this tool. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.